Every great structure starts with a strong foundation. But what about the walls that protect and define it?
For decades, traditional hollow blocks have been the standard. But are they really the best choice for modern construction?
At Luftcrete Philippines, we believe in building smarter, stronger, and faster. Introducing the #1 autoclave lightweight concrete panel in the Philippines, your ultimate solution for superior construction.
Luftcrete Philippines ALC panels aren't just light, they're built to last.
Compressive strength of 600 to 700 psi. These panels provide superior impact resistance, ensuring your walls stand the test of time. Unlike hollow blocks that are prone to cracks and breakage, Luftcrete Philippines ALC panels are engineered to resist damage from earthquakes and extreme weather conditions.
Safety is our priority. That's why our panels are designed to withstand up to 4 hours of direct fire exposure, keeping you and your property protected from unexpected disasters. Because when it comes to safety, compromise is never an option.
Because of its lightweight properties, with a density of only 750 kilograms per cubic meter, when submerged with water, it instantly floats. Not only you can say goodbye to water damages and leakage. Luftcrete Philippines ALC panels are engineered with highly dense closed-cell structures that makes them naturally water resistant, with little to no water absorption and seepage. Unlike traditional concrete blocks, which can absorb water and can cause structural deterioration over time, Luftcrete Philippines ALC panels provide the long-lasting protection against humidity, moisture, and extreme weather conditions.
Reduced water absorption, keeping your walls dry and durable. Mold and mildew resistant, prevents indoor moisture buildup. Ideal for wet areas. Perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, and exterior walls. Stronger and long-lasting. No cracks, no leaks, just superior performance.
That's it for now. Want to know more about how Luftcrete Philippines ALC panels can revolutionize your next project? Download our brochure now, link in the description below.
And if you're ready to take the next step, schedule a free consultation with our experts today. Let's experience the power of Luftcrete together. Click the link below to get started.
We can't wait to work with you!
Stronger, lighter, faster build. The Philippines' #1 choice for autoclave concrete wall panels. Luftcrete.